Hello all, today we will learn how to make a simple greeting card using our applications in our phone, and using Canva app. So for this I have to install a Canva app. So already I have installed a Canva. Now select the Canva app and in search bar select the Diwali greeting template. So the benefit of using Canva is here we have so many ready-made greeting cards, ready-made templates, paid and as well as a free templates. So choose carefully and then select whichever template you like, whether it is in free or a premium. If you want to go for a premium, then just pay some amount and then you will be able to access the premium templates. But here the premium is not essential for me, so I have selected the free template. So now I will edit this. So everything is fine with me, the graphics, text, content and all. Now I just want to add some title, some text in that. So now select the plus symbol, click on that. So from here select the text. So here in the bottom I can see the text symbol. So I have selected the text and I've typed it, and from here the two buttons are like cursor and the rotation. Wherever you want to move the text, you can hold it and move. So I have input the text here and I want to edit it. Like I want to increase the size, I want to change the font style. So from here when you select the text, in the bottom you can see the options related to that font. So now whatever changes I want to make, I have made them. I have just decreased the size, I have made adjustments, and now let us see the preview. Click on the play button in the app, click on the preview. So this is our final output, now ready to download. So here I have a download option. Now click on that. Now download, whether you want, here options are given, whether you want to download this template as a image format, png format, or a pdf format. So pdf is supported for sending the mails, whereas you want in an animation format or mp video format, a small clip. Okay, so here I have selected the mp4 video format where my animations will be running. So select mp4, click. Automatically now your template will be downloaded, your greeting card will be downloaded. So now directly you can share your greeting card from here, or else you can just save it in the gallery so that you can externally share that or save it. So here it is saved in my gallery. Select. So here it is saved. My greeting card is ready. Now make the free greeting cards for this festival and share it with your friends, family members, and be happy. So this is this free software where we can use for creating the greeting cards. If you want to learn more like this, the simple apps, the free apps for editing text or editing images for creating greeting cards or animations, just subscribe and like. I will come up with the more tutorials. Thank you.